Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to prepare protein powder. First, select your favorite protein powder, whether it's whey, casein, or a plant-based option. Next, decide on your liquid base. Water is great for a lighter shake, while milk adds creaminess and extra protein. Finally, grab your mixing tools, like a shaker bottle with a whisk ball or a blender for a smoother consistency. These initial steps set you up for a perfect shake. Now, let's get mixing. Always pour your liquid into the shaker bottle first. This helps prevent the powder from sticking to the bottom. Then, use the scoop provided with your protein powder to measure out the recommended serving, typically 1 or 2 scoops. Carefully add the powder to the liquid. Finally, secure the lid tightly and shake vigorously for about 20 to 30 seconds until the powder is fully dissolved and smooth. Enjoy your perfectly mixed shake. Want to take your protein shake to the next level? Consider blending it with some fresh or frozen fruits like bananas or berries for extra vitamins and a delicious taste. For a colder, thicker shake, simply add a few ice cubes to your blender. You can also boost the nutritional value by including healthy fats such as a tablespoon of almond butter or a quarter of an avocado. These additions make your shake more satisfying and flavorful. For optimal benefits, try to consume your freshly mixed protein shake within 1 hour. This ensures you get the most from its nutrients. When storing your unopened protein powder, always keep it in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to maintain its quality and shelf life. Remember to check the expiration date on the container. And hey, while you're thinking about quality, life's too short for cheap socks. Check the description below for a link to darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, plus other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.